Hello, my name is Monica Talley, and I'm the head of the Trademark, Advertising, and Anti-Counterfeiting practice at Sterne Kessler. In this video, I will discuss how to begin implementing a counterfeiting enforcement program. There is no question that counterfeiting is negatively impacting profits, consumer safety, and business reputations in virtually every industry worldwide. Even though the threat from counterfeiters is very obvious, companies are often stumped at how to implement an effective program to counteract counterfeiting, relying on piecemeal and often ineffective enforcement methods. The first step in implementing a successful anti-counterfeiting program is to assess the impact counterfeiting is having on your business. This can be done in a number of ways, and the most effective campaigns often integrate several analysis tools to arrive at a complete understanding of the problem. Analysis methods include tracking electronic traffic to determine both the source of and retail outlets for counterfeiters, and to gauge the percentage of sites selling authentic products versus those that are fake. Businesses can also research the source and volume of any counterfeit products or parts returned for service. They can canvass trade shows for lookalike products and evaluate sales data to determine whether any regions have experienced unexpected slowdowns in sales, which could mean that a counterfeiter has infiltrated the supply chain. The second step is to recognize that counterfeiters are really no different from any other competitor. Intellectual property theft is felt throughout the entire organization through loss of revenues, tarnished brands, increased burden on customer service and tech support, loss of consumer confidence, and liability exposure. Shifting the corporate approach to anti-counterfeiting by characterizing it as a competitive concern helps it become a strategic issue that different divisions of the company can work together to solve. Companies that are most successful at combating counterfeiters involve and engage all business units, utilizing some combination of consumer education, regular monitoring, careful sourcing, supply chain oversight, and enforcement. The third step is to engage in regional and product prioritization. The absence of a defined geographic or product-based approach can result in a scattershot program that lacks focus and efficiency. Once you know where your issues are, you can look at the numbers to determine the most straightforward way to address the areas that will have the greatest impact. The fourth step is determining how the success of your campaign will be measured. Effective initiatives can be measured in terms of whether you're able to shut down a particular market or counterfeiter, or lessen the percentage of counterfeits found in online marketplaces, or increase the company's sales and market share. They can also be measured in terms of the number of products that are seized or destroyed, the number of actions brought, and any dollars received. Many benefits of a successful campaign are harder to measure, but just as valuable, including enhancing the integrity of the brand and consumer confidence. The final step is to set a budget. Arbitrary budget definitions are the bane of anti-counterfeiting programs. Businesses should consider whether the budgeted items align with business needs and goals, one of the many reasons it is important to get buy-in from the different business units. It is also important to budget for the budget to allow for some built-in flexibility, to allow for emergency actions. After the initial evaluation and prioritization, the ideal budget would allow the company to maintain a low-cost flow of monitoring and routinized enforcement, and react aggressively when necessary. The road to establishing an effective anti-counterfeiting program that produces measurable results and stays within budget can seem daunting, but by beginning with marketplace data and prioritizing businesses' efforts, you can effectively address the losses posed by counterfeiters. Thank you.